What's up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach. Welcome back to another episode. Today, I'm going to make a video on neighbor privacy, automated shades. Guys, this is going to be a quick one. We offer all the best brands. Automate it to your daily lifestyle. You want to let all the natural light in, or maybe at night you want a little bit of privacy. Check this out. One button press, grab my app here, and keep in mind, I'm doing this manually, but this can be automated, and my house is completely automated, top to bottom. 7:30 at night, boom, shades drop to the perfect level. That way I can't see into their windows, they can't see into ours, but I can still get a little bit of natural light at the end of the day. Check this out. Neighbor privacy down. Pretty sweet, right? So this is just a prime example of how here at Dreamedia, we want to enhance your lifestyle. If you're up here in Colorado and you want some automated shades, whether that's light filtering, knockout, or dual roller, we have all the industry-leading best brands such as Lutron and Screen Innovations available, and we would love the opportunity to earn your business. Let me give you one more example of a great way to use automated shades. All right, so that's a great scene for, say, in the morning, drop the shades so you're not staring at the neighbors. When you leave for work, shades go up. Now I wanna run a scene for you guys if you were going to watch a movie. So in my room, I'm using some shades that actually have their fabric and have some acoustic properties to it. So whenever I watch a movie, I drop the shades. As you can see, they're all hem bar aligned and dropping at the exact same level all the way down, making it look super clean and giving me better acoustic performance in this space. All right, so that's kind of my movie scene for this room. I have a full 5.4.4 Dolby Atmos system with high performance RBH sound. Now, keep in mind, I have automated schedules. So I have Geo-Fencing set up on my URC system. And what I can do here in this home is whenever I get close to the house, it tracks my IP address and then automatically runs the same scene that I use for movies for me getting home. So whenever I'm not in the house, there's privacy. Nobody can tell if we're home or if we're not. All the shades are shut. As soon as I come home, it raises all the shades in the room like you're seeing now. And it turns on my favorite playlist for Sonos and sets the lighting to the appropriate level. This is home automation at its finest, guys. If you're interested in doing something like this in your very own home, reach out today for a free video consultation or an in-home consultation. We'll assess the situation, pick out the right products for your home, and customize it to your needs and budget. If you like this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.